Hey guys, I'm Joshua Vidovic from Vidovic Arts, and today we're going to be celebrating a special episode. I just reached 666 subscribers. Oh, that was about 3 weeks ago. Sorry about the delay on that one, guys. Thanks for being so supportive. I really love all the positive feedback that I've been getting and all the requests I've got. So stick around and we'll be working on more stuff soon to come. Anyway, 666 subscribers seems appropriate to work on something hellish or devilish, so I made Hellboy. And the movie's coming out pretty soon, the new one, and I'm a real big fan of the old ones, so let's get into it.
I'm on your side! Sorry, my bad.
So I started this model out by actually getting a template for just a normal male character, and I edited the hand to be much larger than usual. And I took it straight into Mudbox and worked from there. So a lot of the sculpting was actually just bulking him up and making him way more muscular, and working on the facial area and the hand. I didn't really work on the legs because I was gonna add pants to it later on, and I decided that I was also going to put a jacket over the top of everything. So this kind of defeated the entire purpose of sculpting his body, but I will be having two different models in the Thingiverse file, so you'll be able to get topless Hellboy and get jacketed Hellboy, which is pretty cool. Once he was all sculpted up, I took him back into Maya and I rigged him up so I could pose him. So once he was all rigged up, I had to clothe him, so that meant I had to give him his utility belt and his jacket, pants and boots, and the little satchels on the utility belt and whatnot. And yeah, initially I wasn't sure if I was going to work on the gun, but I eventually decided to do so. So this gun is actually based off the original two movies. So I might end up making this a separate print as well, so you can make the full gun if you wanted to. Now, a lot of the extra work that I put into this, like the printing phase and the painting, I actually live streamed, and it turned out to be a 24-hour live stream, and that included the entire print. And I was hoping that YouTube would save it out for me, and I'd be able to use it in this video and have like the fast forwarded, you'd be able to see it grow. But yeah, YouTube doesn't like really long videos, so I learned from that one. But if you did stop by the stream, thanks for coming by and chatting to me and let me know what you think of how it went. I also painted that in that stream, and yeah, as you can see here, he turned out pretty amazing. I'm really wrapped with how he looks. Yeah, the tail didn't work out too well. If you were there for the stream, you would have seen that broke. And the hand broke off as well. So this hand I actually ended up printing separately. So there's technically two different models here. But I worked it out, and I'll make sure in the Thingiverse files that the hand will print properly, and so will the tail. Yeah, the amount of detail that actually managed to come out in his face is just like, it blows my mind. It really, really came out well. As for the paint job, I pretty much just did multiple layers, so I worked from darkest to lightest. And as you can see, he's pretty cool. He's not based yet. I am actually going to work on a fancy base, and I'm planning to potentially either print him again just to fix the tail and the hand, and enter him into a little competition, little model competition. And yeah, if you want to print this up, go check out Thingiverse, and you're more than welcome to. There's a couple things I want to bring up. There's some people that are trying to sell these models on like Etsy and stuff. And I strongly advise you don't, because I've set it up so it's a non-commercial license on Thingiverse, so on the Creative Commons area. And people seem to not be reading this at all, but they're going for it anyway, and I have to manually, like, email them to let them know not to sell it. And it's not so much like me personally saying, oh, don't sell it because I don't want you to, profit from my work. It's not really my work to begin with. Like, I've modeled it and everything, but it's someone else's original content, and I don't think it's right to be profiting off them. And, I'm making this stuff for everyone to enjoy and to print for themselves and to paint for themselves. But, like, selling it, okay, come on. Am I alone on this one? Yeah. So if you do see anyone that's trying to sell any of my work or anyone else's work from Thingiverse, just give them a message. Like, make sure the Creative Commons thing is, it's, like, licensed. I'll show you right now where it is. Basically, that is trying to get people not to sell the stuff because of obvious reasons, yeah. So I'm not making any money from modeling these guys. I am just giving them away for free for people to enjoy, to paint up. And, maybe you're a huge Hellboy fan and you want your own little unique Hellboy character that you can print up. That's what this is all about. It's just printing. Like, it's the being able to just print whatever you want. And it's pretty awesome because you're not restricted to anything, and you can print all day if you want. You can get 20 printers and you can print up an entire army of stuff, and it's yours. And that's what I really love about this. So don't go and sell these, please. Yeah. If I do have specific things that don't have the non-commercial license, you're more than welcome to sell those. But if they do, please don't. So that was just a little grievance that I had, and thanks for sitting through it. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and maybe share it with some people who might be interested in a Hellboy figurine for themselves. If you're wanting to support me on this channel and with these creations and whatnot, you're more than welcome to head over to Patreon and pledge a couple $1 per video. And over there you'll get some behind-the-scenes stuff, early content, and some extra, like, unique models that I don't release on Thingiverse in general. So yeah, head over there and check it out. As for everything else, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for coming by. I'll see you later. Thanks again for the 666 subscribers, and you can expect something at 777, I can guarantee that. And yeah, I'll catch you later. See you guys.